Remember the magic of childhood stories, when someone read to you in your native language and the words made you feel safe, happy, and full of wonder? Now imagine growing up without that, never reading a story in the language of your heart. For children in Cape Verde, the simple joy is often missing. Their word speaks Cape Verdean Creole, but their books are only available in Portuguese, which is a foreign tongue to little ones. I am Karolina Abramowicz, and through my project Stória para Mininus, Stories for Children, I've translated books into their vibrant Creole, making them available for free online. But many children live without reliable internet, and because of this, the stories remain out of their reach. That's why I'm fundraising, to print these books and deliver them to kindergartens, schools, and libraries across Cape Verde, so every child can experience the wonder of reading in their own language. Imagine their faces lighting up, holding a book in Creole, embracing the joy of reading in their native language. Your support, no matter the size, can place a book directly in their hands and hearts. Let's give the Cape Verdean children the gift of stories in their native language.